Get ready to navigate the wonders of IKEA like a pro. Learn what to expect, how to make the most of your visit, and discover the secrets to a successful IKEA experience. From finding your way through the showroom to mastering the art of flat pack assembly, we have got you covered. Don't miss out on these valuable tips and tricks to ensure a stress-free and an enjoyable trip to IKEA. If you are about to visit IKEA for the first time, then this video is a must watch. Hello and welcome back to our channel Moodycrumbs. Since we stay in Thane, you can reach IKEA Navi Mumbai through driving via Eastern Express Highway and Palm Beach Road. It will take approximately 45 to 60 minutes depending on the traffic. You can also take a train from Thane to Turbe station, which is Harbour Line. From Turbe station, take a bus 127 or 128 or an auto rickshaw to IKEA. Bus facility is also there from Thane to Nerul or CBD Belapur. When you are visiting IKEA for the first time, you can definitely expect a huge building, free parking, welcome area, showrooms, market halls, self-serve warehouse, cafe, play area for kids, helpful staffs, and impulsive buys. Here comes a small tip from our side. Always wear comfortable shoes as you will be walking a lot. Bring a shopping list to stay focused.
I wanna play those games with you.
Now here comes a small history of IKEA. IKEA was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad, who was just 17 years old at that time. However, the company's roots dates back to 1932, when Ingvar started a small business selling matchboxes, seats, and other small items. Over the years, the company evolved and expanded its product range to include furniture, eventually becoming the IKEA we know today. Today, IKEA is one of the world's largest furniture retailers with over 400 stores in more than 50 countries. The IKEA store in Navi Mumbai is approximately 5.3 lakh square feet, which is located near the Turbe local railway station. The stocks are over 7,000 home furnishing products. The kids area houses the largest kids area Smaland in IKEA across the world.
I wanna play games with you. You're inside my life.
Go on and give yourself that compliment, because the IKEA's mirrors say that you are just looking so pretty. Shopping done? The IKEA restaurant menu offers a variety of American and Swedish inspired meals, sweets, and drinks. Light up every corner of your room with these perfect lighting solutions. That's IKEA in a nutshell from us. Thanks for joining us on this journey to IKEA. We hope you are now ready to conquer the world of affordable furniture and home decor. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun content. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. Share your IKEA stories and tips in the comment section. Happy shopping!